All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today is the Super Bowl. There's going to be all kinds of ads and news and stuff about cryptocurrency. Fantastic. We're talking about Dogelon Mars right now. What's going on with it being the most viewed token in North America, Twitter account, website, all kinds of good stuff, price prediction. And in the middle, we're going to talk a little bit about FTX giving out $1 million today. Today, $1 million. But they actually said they could give out 1.5 million. They haven't decided what they're going to give out. So all kinds of crazy, awesome stuff going on today on Sunday. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on the channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, Dogelon Mars. What's going on with this? This token's up right now. Let's head over to Dogelon. All right, Dogelon Mars is the 117th cryptocurrency on CoinMarkertcap. It's up 8% for the last 7 days. It's also up 8% today. Clicking it. Price prediction a little bit later. Up, 8%, 6% in the last 24 hours. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros and a 10, 13. Kind of take a look at the day here. Everything is going up. And looking at the last 7 days, last 7 days is actually still up 8% from where it was down here. So from right here to up here, it's actually still up 8%. All right, Dogelon's up a little bit, 7, 8% in 24 hours. Clicking the holders. How we doing with holders here? Clicking the 3 months. All right, so 3 months ago we had about 113,000 holders. Today we got 129. So that's 17,000, 17, about a 10%. 10% more people holding the Dogelon Mars. Now remember, this coin is for intergalactic travel to Mars. So when we do travel to Mars and we need to get there, you're going to have to pay with your Dogelon Mars to get there. All right, let's head back over to the website. Right here on the Twitter account, Dogelon Mars is now live on Fuse Network. Voltage pools are engaged. Beefy Vault online. With the help of Fuse, we will soon expand to all the corners of the galaxy. And it says right here, Dogelon Mars token is now on Fuse. This is really big, everybody. Dogelon Mars token has been bridged to Fuse using the Fuse Ethereum bridge on Voltage Finance. And Elon/Fuse trading pool has been launched on Voltage Finance and Yield Farming Program and has been launched on it. In addition, the vault has been created on Beefy Finance, Beefy Yield Platform, and Liquidity Provider. Deposit the pool's LP token. The liquidity position of the LP on the Fuse/Elon pool will stake with Beefy Vault and will boost with 90,000 in Fuse and Elon during the 90 days. Now, this is pretty awesome stuff. It says right here why Bitcoin enthusiasts consider it to be the only cryptocurrency that the world needed. Other leaders and communities disagreed and took confidence in their vision to launch hundreds of other cryptocurrencies. At some point, many people in the crypto space came, but they proved wrong in speculative fashion by meme tokens. So then the memes popped up. Why meme tokens are often misunderstood, their core selling points, at least for those who find them promising, and despite the way that pioneers crypto assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum have gone, energizing communities can still engage in large-scale experimentations and create a new popular currency, using the power of memes that obviously go beyond crypto space. Dogelon Mars sets the tone with this new trend. Following the rise of Shiba Inu and other projects, most recently, Dogelon Mars project has joined the fray and quickly succeeded in establishing itself in a forefront of the meme coin space. This Dogelon is built off the fantasy story of a character space traveling adventure, and at the end, we're all going to travel to Mars. Now here's something good. Elon became the most traded token among the large token holders on Ethereum according to whale stats. And again, Dogelon Mars is now on Fuse. This is awesome, everybody. Dogelon is on Fuse. Take a look at that. I wanted to show you this too. This is big. Dogelon Mars emerges as the most viewed cryptocurrency in North America. Did you hear that? The most viewed out of every cryptocurrency? Inspired by Elon Musk, the favorite crypto, Dogelon Mars entered the cryptoverse. Even though the asset ranking was over 100, North Americans seem to be quite curious about this meme. The meme coin buzz has taken over the entire globe. Almost every meme coin started out as a joke, but eventually ended up with some value or popularity. Well, Dogelon Mars entered the market along with the coins like Baby Doge and Satama Inu. Take a look right here. The top views on North America. It's actually right here on their Twitter account. Take a look at that. Dogelon Mars there at the bottom had more views on CoinMarketCap than any other coin. The second coin was Solana at 21,000, but Dogelon Mars had 67,000. These are the top 10 highest viewed coins on CoinMarketCap in North America, right there. Fantastic. And again, Dogelon Mars, I mean, blowing away the competition, everybody. So I just wanted to share that. If everybody in the country is looking at Dogelon more than any other coin, what are your thoughts? Leave it in the bottom. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right, today's Super Bowl day. Today's the day that people are going to win Bitcoin on the TV set. Oh, boy. Let's go right over to FTX real quick. Right here, FTX will give out a free Bitcoin during the Super Bowl. Here's how to enter. One of the world's largest crypto exchanges has announced it will be giving out a free Bitcoin during the Super Bowl. But see, that doesn't make sense. A free Bitcoin is what, 40 to 50,000? Says right here, we're giving away some Bitcoin. How much? $1 million worth. 1.5 million worth. We don't actually know. The later the game airs, the more Bitcoin we can see on Sunday. No purchase is necessary. Check this out.
I've missed out on talking for 33 years, but I'm not missing out this Sunday. FTX is giving away the time their ad runs in Bitcoin, and I'm going to win. For charity.
All right, so there's an ad that we're seeing that literally we never saw it on TV. You may see it today. You're going to see it probably today about how you're going to win Bitcoin and stuff. So look at that. Also, since FTX is giving out $1 million to 1.5 million, we need to do this for Tom. All right, so this is the commercial I've been seeing all football season. This one, well, first he's getting into something, which is cryptocurrency, and this is the second one. FTX here. This is the company that's giving out $1 million today.
Hang on. There's a possibility of a trade.
Tom Brady wants a trade. Could he be coming home?
What did I say?
Oh my God, Brady!
Yeah, trade. We're telling everyone.
I heard she wants to be in LA.
$2, go. I'm hearing Denver.
I give you the new City Hall. Take that, Tampa.
A trade? Are you sure?
Not a trade. I'm trading crypto. FTX is the safest and easiest way to buy and sell crypto. It's the best way to get in the game.
Just trading crypto.
Oh.
Hey, y'all. It's not coming. Not coming.
So there's the FTX ad. Tom Brady's getting into something, which is cryptocurrency. Tom Brady's doing a trade, which is cryptocurrency. He did just retire a couple days ago, a week ago. We love you, Tom Brady. But FTX, that company, is giving out $1 million or $1.5 million today. I mean, so hopefully some of our viewers. And y'all seen this, Super Bowl, or shall we call it Crypto Bowl? Take a look at that. It's going to be the Crypto Bowl today. That's right, everybody. Look at this. The ads are $7 million. They're up 27% from last year. Right here, they're up 27% from last year. 43% of this year's marketers will be new companies like cryptocurrencies exchanges. And here's the 4 companies that are crypto companies that you're going to see today. Binance, FTX, Crypto.com, and BitBuy. That's right, everybody. It's now the Crypto Bowl. All right, heading back over here to Dogelon Mars, do a price prediction here in a second. There's 6 platforms right here. You can buy your Dogelon, Crypto.com, Uniswap, OKEX, KuCoins, Huobi, and Gemini. So you can go right to their website to do it. There's 650,000 people following them on their Twitter account. Telegram, they got 90,000 followers. You go check it out. This coin's at 117. So we got 5 zeros and 1,017. I'm thinking it's going to go 5 zeros and 11. 1111. We'll actually go with that. All the ones and stuff. That'd be a little bit of an increase. All my information is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial planner. We're just all friends here. So I'm not a financial planner. I'm just doing this for fun. Dogelon right here, 117, up about 8% for the actual day, up about 7% for the week. Dogelon Mars is now on Fuse. That's fantastic. Dogelon Mars is now the most looked at coin on coinmarkertcap. I mean, more people are, and it wasn't even close to anything. 67,000 to 21. I mean, it was triple. There was triple the people looking at Dogelon Mars, or the most people in the world, in the United States, looking at Dogelon Mars. Oh my God! Don't forget to hit the like button. Click right here to see our most recent video. Click over here to see the Drip Network to make 1% ROI, return on your investments, 365% on your initial investment. All right. Don't forget to watch the Super Bowl today and have your shot to win a Bitcoin. All right, everybody. Have a fantastic day today. Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner.